let's move this side up.
Oh!
So good. I'm doing the work.
I was gonna let you guys put.
I'm doing the work.
Yeah, we're all doing the work.
You're just doing squats.
I'm doing the eating. I'm testing it.
You want to spread it now?
Yeah. Oh, ice cream, ice cream. Ice cream.
It's good.
That's good.
It's sweet and it's fruity. It's
It
really
actually
good.
still looks like ice cream.
Sort of.
Why is it sort of? Yours looks like ice cream. Mine looks like a blob.
I like it.
I really like it.
So, what did you think of it, Leah?
I thought it was good. It was pretty quick. It was fun and good.
I liked it. It tasted really good, really fresh. Just took a while. And it was
Was
sort of
fun?
melted. But it was really fun. I like making it. Really easy to make. See you in Daddy's next video.
Okay, let me see.
Leah, okay, I'll just finish it off. I hope you guys enjoyed watching us make ice cream. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video. Peace!